Hey everyone, if your Remitly transactions keeps failing, here are the simple steps you can follow on your iPhone to fix it and avoid future errors. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Turn airplane mode on then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Remitly obtained fails mid transactions when the connection drops. Second, confirm your payment method. Open Remitly, then send money. Make sure your card isn't expired, has balance or isn't blocked. If your card keeps failing, switch to another payment method. Third, verify recipient details. Check the receivers. Check full name as on their ID. Check bank name. Check account number, IBAN. Check mobile wallet number. A single wrong digit or spelling mistake causes instant transaction failure. Fourth, update the Remitly app. Go to App Store, then search for Remitly app, then update. Old version obtained freeze, crash or fail during payments. Updating fixes hidden bugs. Fifth, check for identity verification requirement. Tap account, then identity verification. If you see verification needed, upload your ID or selfie. Remitly blocks transactions until verification is complete. Sixth, disable VPN or proxy. Go to settings, then VPN, then turn off. Remitly rejects transfers from suspicious or masked IP locations. Turning off the VPN obtained fixes instantly failures. Seventh, restart and retry the transfer. Restart your iPhone, reopen Remitly, then start a new transaction, not the failure one. This refreshes the app and clears temporary errors. 8. Contact Remitly support. Open Remitly, then tap on help, select the transaction failure, upload screenshot for faster support, and that's it. Those simple steps fix most Remitly transaction failure on your iPhone and help you avoid issue in the future. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.